I'm Danny West. You're back with another episode of the SOAPBOX, your patient education station. And today we are here with Miss Jada, and I'm going to show you my go-to of how to tape a classic ankle. So this is just a little something for some support without them having to wear an ankle brace, but this would be maybe a couple weeks down the road from a fresh ankle sprain. So this is kind of my classic quick and dirty ankle sprain taping. First off, we're just going to start with a little strip across the crease of the ankle joint. So I've taken a strip, it's about 3 squares, and I'm going to rip it down the middle. And I kind of hold it like so that when I pull it full stretch, there's no wrinkles, there's no bowing of the tape. Whereas if my thumbs are in the middle, see how it starts to bow. So I'm going to kind of make sure my thumbs are on either side. I'm going to pull full stretch across the front of the ankle, and I just kind of lay that on there. And I give it kind of a rub for the glue to kind of warm up. My next strip, I'm going to do my classic 2 ankle stirrups. Now when you're measuring for the stirrups, we want it right under the heel. They must come up at least an inch past the ankle bone on either side, okay? So I'm going to start here because once we stretch it, it's going to come up a ways. So again, I rip it in the middle. I'm going to hold it with the heel of my hand, again, so I get a nice non-bowed stretch of the tape. I'm going to start on the heel, I go full stretch. She's going to just maintain neutral, full stretch. And then if she rolled her ankle to the outside, so Jada, move your foot in, I'm going to need more support on the outside. Whereas if she rolled it to the other way, I'm going to pull up more on the inside, okay? So she's going to hold her foot in neutral. I'm going to pretend this was an outside ankle sprain. And I'm going to pull up more on the outside, full stretch on both. I kind of plant them on and then kind of take the other pieces off. And if they go up a little higher, that's okay, as long as we're, again, about 1 to 2 inches higher than the ankle bones. I'm going to do another stirrup just like that. Again, I'm going to pull up a little bit more, and I overlap it a little bit just because the tape will stick better to skin than itself. So 2 stirrups usually, and then my figure 8. So I need a nice long strip. I'm going to rip the end. And again, if she had an outside ankle sprain, I'm going to start the figure 8 on the outside. If she stretched these ligaments on the inside, I'm going to start my figure 8 on the inside. So again, we're pretending for the sake of today, she had an outside ankle sprain. So I'm going to start the tape on an angle, and if you want to kind of zoom in here just to get a better look. So we're going to start it just behind the stirrup. I'm going to cross it around the ankle crease. I go down under the arch of the foot, and then I'm going to come around again, pulling up more on the outside. So it makes an X in the front. And then if I have extra tape, which I do, I'm going to do another figure 8, just kind of going over that same path. Again, pulling up a little bit more on the outside, crossing in the center of the ankle joint. And then whatever I have left, I just finish along the same angle. You never want to go straight across, it's going to cut off some circulation, but kind of angle it up. And then that's your classic ankle sprain taping. 2 stirrups and a figure 8.